Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you how to my new free plugin. It's named UI Effect Function Library. It's my fault to firstly record a video to show how it works. So today I'd like to tell you how to use it correctly. At first, I will explain it's not a traditional other plugin, independent and can work itself. In my opinion, it will work at use as other plugins dependency. Like you can see my new plugin hasn't published in UE Market. And when we click edit, we can see plugin dependency has UI effects function library. But sometimes we just don't want to make our own plugin. We just want to find these nodes and use it. So how can I make it? We have create a user widget and go to the blueprint graphic. When we search UI effect, we will find no results. That's why. Because my nodes are used for editor, but user widget are used for game. So when we click class settings and we find parent class, we change it to editor utility widget. And soon we can find these nodes. And when we use editor widget, because its parent class will always be right, when we search UI effect, it just rightly click here, and we have and now I will show you the easiest example to use it. We just add a button to this editor widget and we anchor it full screen. We go to the click events. If we want to click it, UE will have notification info says plugin works well. Okay, we combine it and run this edit widget. It works well, but I click I write a wrong. It was plugin, not plugin. Plugin was well. Yes, plugin was well. And this is the easily example, but I will not show you at this edit widget. Now I have shown you how to use this, in my opinion, as my dream. These plugins how it works. So today I have at first we will create some UMG component. We will warp it with canvas panel and copy paste some. We create a new animation and let this widget component add as track and give it some sections, transform, clipping. Otherwise, it's not it's not very important. I just add it freely, randomly, and you can see this is my new plugin. It has some menu list. When we click auto range, it will. You can see it will always make my section to right range. So how it make it? We go to my plugin and see it's just that's my UI effects function library. So at this time, I will show you how to use it at my Dream of It Works. You can see UI effect. These are these nodes. When we use it, we will first have these nodes get active tab accent or get active top level window accent. These two nodes will have this editor. We can have this editor. In traditional way, we can't find editor, but when we use these nodes, we can get the widget editor. Then we can change anything in this editor. And how it works, we create this editor to widget blueprint, and get current animation is this one, current animation, and set display rate as 13. You can see when we click, it will be 30. And get movie scene binding tracks is these 4 tracks, and for each loop to get sections is these sections, and set sections range seconds to the current animation start time and end time, so it works well like this. That's why I make this plugin, and it use, in my opinion, it will work at this moment. And I can show you how to use it to create a new button. You can see this function name. We can change it. We can say change name, but change component name. We have this button, and we can 1, 2, 3. We can to make a matic function. So at first we will get top active level accent, just this accent. We get this top level accent is to get the editor, and we will see this complement and we can search UI effects function library. We will let me see. Set select widget display label. So to make it, we firstly cast to widget blueprint and select widget display label. So we can click my editor to here, and display label, we can see AAA combine. And we can see, we click it and it will rename as AAA. It will as AAA2. We click this. It was well when we BBB and combine. It works well too. So this is how it works. And this is my first example to use it in my plugin. And there are second example. We can see if you notice, we have used it. It's named Smart Ankle. it is my plugin too. I can see it is my other plugin. And how it works, it can change the ankle and have this uh, uh, sh- uh, re, this panel to show you how well my complement lives in. You can see it will directly show you. It will more great than the original ankles. And how it works, we can into smart ankle content and see this tool. We will see this is my panel, and we have some. We will scroll. We have some click function, right click, and we will see left click. When we left click these buttons, we will go to have this function. We click into it, and how it works. It gets active top level ascent and retrieve selected widget details, and it will have preview widget and template widget. And we can click it. You can see it's just my UI effects blueprint library it made. So we can have this one. And as a result, it will works well as other plugins dependency. And otherwise, it can use at edit widget, or you can change widget blueprint parent class to edit widget and use it as well. So that's my video to show you how to use it. See you next time.